All right, hopefully that perspective will work because I need definitely need room on my end to move around. Swap out the lens on the camera. I really love the lens I shoot on primarily, but it's got such a tight frame of view, it just wouldn't work for this shot. So here we go. Vevor. In case you didn't get to see that. Ooh, I love this knife. That's my favorite. Vevor belt grinder sander. Okay, got some belts. We've got our guide wheels. We got no damage up here. No damage there. No damage. So far so good. Tool rest. Silica. I always save these because I'm a cheap motherfucker. Okay. So the damage as you can see is right there in the back. So this is going to be kind of a dual purpose video. This will protect me from the shippers who obviously didn't take much care when handling this. Okay, that would have been the control box. That's the control box that was smashed. That's unfortunate. That's where all the electronics live. Another idler wheel. Okay, that's the best way to do this. Just like that. And there's a phone call. I'll be right back. Alright, and we're back. So everything's out. Guess the next obvious step is to start taking this plastic off. Presume that's step one of the instructions. I'm not sure if I'm into instructions. Like, in this case, I probably will be. But my entire life has kind of been just put it together. And then look at the instructions when it doesn't work. I mean, I have a core understanding of how this stuff works. In fact, I thought about just building my own until I did the math and realized it's cheaper to just buy a fully engineered one from China. Sad as that is, we really need to change this whole economy. In my opinion, it just shouldn't be. No one in the United States could come. Pull on the bottom. No one in the United States, you're a small business and you want to compete in this space, there's no friggin' way. Yours is gonna cost probably 10 grand, while Vevor's is too. It's just, it is what it is. Well, this housing, electrical housing, is made out of some kind of a hard plastic. It does not look damaged. Someone's thumbprints on there. Oh, there's a scuff. Dang it. I don't know if that's from the injection molding process or if that's part of my unit getting smashed in delivery. Anyhow, that's a bummer. Okay, so this is clearly sideways. Looks like. Does this thing articulate? It does. And this is how it happens. It's not like I want to do this without instructions. But I think it's kind of like, you want to challenge what you've learned in life to see if you can just figure it out. At least that's what I think's happening right now. Or I've learned absolutely nothing in life and I'm just a moron. No bald spot on the top of this head. So that's gonna try going into the back. And then got this big opening right here. What could fit in that? Well, this could fit in that. And the wheels line up on this side. Loosen this bad boy up. Boy, that fits as though it was engineered to go in there. Would you look at that? Okay. So right now we do not have flat grinding, round grinding. So that's going to be for like our convex edges and whatnot. What am I going to be doing more of? Probably flat grinding. So we're going to loosen the handle extension. Okay. That little hex nut right there, hex screw. Look at that. Cram this bad boy. Oh, I see. That's gonna go to there. Looks like you could do that at different angles if you wanted to. Okay. And then we've got our workbench plate thing. Okay, so. Whoa, whoops. Oh, I see. Okay, so keep that tight. I can already tell these wires are going to be not my best friend, so I'll have to clean these up in a little bit. Yeah, look how compact it is, though. Like, it's all fairly. Come on, what is that? Foot by 16 inches. Put a board under it. They've already thought of it too. They got the little screws in there so you can mount it. I don't see a way to mount the back though. Where the control panel. That dial's bent. Yeah, that thing's not sitting straight. I don't know if that's a deal breaker, but that's a bummer. Okay, power's on. Okay, put a belt on. These are this one's 180, 100, and 240. Probably just start with the 240. Oh no, actually I have something in mind I can grind. I feel like there should be a. Yeah. Okay, so that pins down. I see. It's gonna have to get way further that way to work. Loosen that one. That one. No, that only moves that. This thing, oh, the slide's up there. That's as far as that goes. That's lined up, that's lined up. I feel like that car is just kind of in my way. What does this do? Oh, okay, I see. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but notice it move. I bet you that's to line the belt up right there. Okay. Everything looks good to me. Let's go through and tighten everything up again. If I wanted to go straight with that, just do this. Yeah. Now that's rubbing up there. That's not good. That's what I had to do to keep that straight. Calf. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Tight, tight. Got this guy to work on. Oh, alright. This one is like, it's definitely in the way. Rise it up though. Maybe that just prevents the belt from flying off. Okay, so we're gonna go low speed. Oh, I hope I'm not missing something. Done all that. There's nothing about the buttons on the control panel? Wow. Hit start. Okay. It's creeping back off though. Oh, we're cooking. Woo, I'm getting nervous. Wow. Impressive. $200 for this thing. That's insane. Oh, let's try to grind something. Sorry, I forgot to go out and tell those construction guys I was filming and to not work today. Is that safe to do? Is that square? Oh. Definitely not. That is square. About square as I'm gonna get it anyhow. One of these buttons do it in reverse, so only go one direction. That worked. Well, there she is. I guess from here it's just gonna be a little bit of probably YouTube videos to figure out how to get this thing dialed in. That's not great. All those little wires exposed like that. I'm gonna have to figure out how to get this covered up better. Then probably bolt this down to a wooden base, clean up the cord somehow. And then I need to start wearing a mask when I do this. But yeah, that was pretty easy.